What is the support role for your Zenler site? So the support role means that they can only manage people sections of your site. They do not have access to view the dashboard, course management, marketing funnels, email broadcast, site settings, integrations, reports, Zenler plan, course purchase, API key, community management, partner program, sub-site management, or lives. They purely have the ability to manage the people within your site as a support role. As a support role member, they will be expected to reach out to any students or people on your site that have questions as a supportive role. Let's now jump in and see what the support role sees. Let's sign in with our email and password and log in. So we are presented with a blank screen just welcoming the member Sally, and if we go into site, you're going to see that they have access to all of the people inside here. So if someone has a question, or you need to email them, or you need to edit their details or even delete them, you have that ability to do that from here as a support member. You'll also see under lives there is a certain amount of changes you can do within the live section as well as a supportive role. This is support roles inside Zenler.